Okay, let's take a look at question number 5. So the graph shows the demand for a shampoo, and we are told that there are no fixed costs and that marginal cost is a constant $60. So that means our marginal cost line is going to go straight across here at the 60. And now it asks, what are the perfectly competitive price and output? So the perfectly competitive price and output are going to be where the demand curve crosses the supply curve, which is the marginal cost curve. So that's, since that line is going straight across here at 60, it's going to be right here at 60 and 800. So a price of 60 and a quantity of 800. What are the cartel or monopoly price and output? So what we have to do there is we know our marginal revenue line then is going to start at the same place here at the 120 and 0, but it's going to meet down here at half of the demand curve. So if this is 1600, 800. So you're going to draw a line from the 120 up here, and it's going to come on down, and it's going to meet at the 800 here. So you have to visualize that line being there. It crosses over the marginal cost curve here. It crosses over at this point right here at the 400 quantity and the 60. So the quantity would be 400. Then from that quantity we would go up to this demand line and go across to get the price, and that would be at 90. So if you just draw that yourselves going down to here, you'll see that it crosses over right here. So that's the quantity, and you go up to the demand curve to get the price. So quantity of 400, price of 90. And in C, if there are only 4 firms in the cartel, what are the price and output of each firm, assuming equal shares? Well, the price is going to be the $90, and the output, well, there's 400 that we've determined in part B. There's equal shares, so they're all going to, each of the 4 firms are going to sell 100, quantity of 100 at a price of 90. Okay, that's it for that question.